Hello, my name is Zoard Schibel, and this is an educational program called Where Are You At With? Part of the Know, Understand, and Remember learning series from Engaging the Underachiever. Today's topic is designing activities for subject integration. So the question is, where are you at with designing activities for subject integration? Today's lesson is paper plate weaving number 1. We are going to make this. Well, I've already made this. And when I say we, I mean you, as in our class here, and you who are watching this presentation. First of all, let's list the materials we'll need. A paper plate, scissors, pencil, markers, crayons, pencil colors, yarn, a variety of colors. We'll set these here next to the Cranky Cinema. Hello, Frank and Gabby. Subject integration is combining separate subjects into one project or activity. It's a sort of hand-holding idea with information and knowledge on the one hand and creativity and production on the other. Let's start, literally, with a drawing of a paper plate in the middle of our chalkboard and see what connections we can make. In science, we've been studying the water cycle. Would anyone like to share something or some things that we've learned? Precipitation, rain and snow, lakes and rivers and streams, runoff and groundwater, evaporation, condensation, clouds, wind. Wow, that's a great list. Next, in social studies, we've been studying maps. Political, physical, rivers and mountains and lakes, roads, vegetation, trees and deserts, and these are all topical maps. In language arts, we have been studying nouns. Hat, mountain, snow, lake, and verbs. Running, flowing, falling, blowing. For vocabulary, well, most of these words listed here are vocabulary words. And in art, we've been studying perspective quite a bit, especially words related to location. Foreground, middle ground, background, above and below, next to, on. Music, PE, theater and drama, design and technology. I'll just list these subjects to show how many topics there could be and that it is not essential to incorporate all of them. Plus, in the creative process, some things will be addressed creatively and unexpectedly while something else is being made. So now, the plate. Step number 1. Draw something. What should you draw? Something from these words and concepts and topics and ideas. It could be a scene. Draw a scene. Or draw a collage, which is an art term for a collection. Next, make 2 small slits near the bottom of your plate. Cut a few more across the top. How many? Oh, 5 or 6, 7, 8. They're all good numbers. I made 8 on mine. You have just turned your plate drawing into a loom. It's time to warp the loom with yarn. Start at the bottom, leave a tail on the back side, go up to one of the slits, around the back side to another slit, come back down. Repeat the process up, down, until all the slits have yarn. Now, bind the lower part by wrapping yarn round and round. Tie it off. Think of a tree trunk. Now, to weave, start at the top, work your way down, or start at the bottom, work your way up. Remember, over, under, over, under, over, under, turn, repeat. Pull the weft yarn tight, or leave it loose. Beat it into place with your finger or a craft stick or a pencil. Add things like beads, buttons, feathers. The what to add and the why are related to our topics and our creativity and our imagination. There, you have created a woven art project based upon ideas from various subjects we've been studying. Now, to extend this a bit further, write something, a story perhaps. Make up a song. Make up a game for PE, or make up a board game with a spinner and cards with questions and a prize at the end. Make something for the Cranky Cinema or a puppet theater production. For design and technology, make a simple presentation with a bit of action and a bit of sound. There you have it. Designing an activity for subject integration. Start with a vehicle or medium, as an artist would say. We used a paper plate. Gather ideas from a variety of topics. Weave them all together into a project. And, as always, share. Thank you.